guys, what's up? It's Marita. Welcome back to my channel. Today's Halloween look is this Alice in Wonderland inspired look. It's a mixture of Alice and the Cheshire Cat. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. So I'm starting out by doing my eyes. I'm using some blue eyeshadow. This is from the Morphe 35B palette. And I'm just putting that around my crease area, blending it all in. And then I'm taking some concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. And then I am just doing a cut crease and winging it out at the outer corner. And then I am packing on a shimmer shade on top of the concealer, and then I'm throwing on some winged eyeliner. Then I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I am lining my waterline and bringing the white far down underneath the eye to create a bigger eye. Kind of like a doll eye. And then I'm taking the black liner again, and then I'm outlining the white. Then I'm taking the blue shadow again, and I am putting that underneath the under eye area that we drew. Then I'm taking some pink body paint from MEHRON Makeup, and I'm painting on a pink little cat nose. And then I'm contouring my nose with a brown shade. And then I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil again, and I'm just mapping out where I want my mouth to be. And I'm going to be taking some spirit gum and laying down where I want my scar wax to go, and I'm taking the MEHRON Makeup synwax and rolling it into a worm, and then I'm sticking it down, and then I'm blending one side into my skin. And then I'm covering the scar wax with liquid latex to keep the scar wax in place so it doesn't slide down. And then I'm taking some white body paint. I am placing down my teeth. I'm doing little pointy teeth. Then taking some red paint, I am putting that all over the mouth area around the teeth. And then I'm taking some black paint and deepening it up a little bit inside the mouth. And then I'm also outlining the inside of the mouth with black and drawing a line from my nose to my mouth. And for the chest, I'm looking at a reference picture of her dress from the cartoon, and I am just painting the dress on. It's just white and blue. And then I'm taking some black and outlining the collar and like the edges of the clothing pieces. And then taking some black eyeshadow, I'm putting some shadowing around the edges of the clothing to look like they're sitting on top of each other. And then taking some fake blood, I am applying that around the mouth. I'm using a stippling sponge to do this. Taking some black eyeshadow and tracing the edges of the nose to make it look a little bit more realistic. And then taking more fake blood and running it down the mouth to go down my neck. And then I'm splattering some paint on my dress. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Halloween tutorials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!